Since 7th grade I knew that this was like my only fucking way. Put my heart into these rhythms, put my soul out on that page. All my coaches said that Devin rap is just a silly phase. So I stopped dribbling basketballs and started killing stages. My grades started dropping and I started rolling daily. The marijuana odor was the only thing I knew. Mixed with passion and music, that's truly what has helped me through. Now my back against the wall and I'm asking y'all for help. Without music in my life would be a living hell. Lately I don't even have the funds to make it happen. I've been selling shit for cheap so I can work up on my passion, and it sucks. But I know that if I just keep it up, I'll have enough support from y'all to stand up and walk tough. Some see it as a song, but for me I see a life. And I'm never gonna stop till the day that I die.